Cobain, baby. We about to start this thing off. It's easy. No pressure. You know what time it is when that white smoke go up, baby.
Tip off till the beat drop. I got this, clock this, no watch this. G-Shot, hold on, he hot. I'm Cobain, ain't the whole name. My boys call me Kurt though. That's for my inner circle. All the haters can stick with Urkel. I never paid them any mind. They criticize, that energize my enterprise. It's furnace ride, then finish line, dinner time. And of course they said ain't a chance that I succeed, so I do this for my team. Number 15, hardly ever question. And for this I was destined, but if I'm ever tested, then it's who's coming in second. I've been at it forever, hard working, all effort. You staring at an athlete, got jerseys in the dresser. Coming after me's catastrophe, so you might wanna get up. You could get it after me, professor to successor. Number one competitor, so no matter the weather, I do this forever, no let up. What's pressure, huh?
Game winning field goal, can't deflect it. Rock in my right hand, 10 seconds. Praying at the finish line, waiting for that last shot. Pressure on my shoulders and I'm thinking, boy, why not? So much pressure, I'm moving with the pressure. Cash crumble from the pressure, but the pressure's what I measure, huh? Nothing lesser. The pressure make me better, never down on my last man. The world better give me mine. Rise on my sarcophagus, it's birth something like Socrates. Mine on monopoly, no forces out there stopping me. Yeah, they carbon copying me, every word they be mocking me, but they methods executed sloppily. I'm probably so much more artistic, so way much more analytic, non-apologetic, way too empathetic, it's pathetic. I am going home, they weighing down my throwing arm. Put a brace up on my shooting hand, put a fake in the place I used to stand. But I make gold in the same place, well lost fate in a dark shade. Now I make cake, no hoes too late, want a date, but I couldn't get a call with no K. Okay, don't come my way, no way. Full of pressure, I'm moving with the pressure. Competition on the stretcher, and I'm rising with the pressure, no successor. The tension got me in another dimension. My position got me shifting, but I stand in my position. That pressure, yeah, that pressure, the only thing I treasure, cause survivor through it all is how your boy keeping measured, huh? Game winning field goal, can't deflect it. Rock in my right hand, 10 seconds. Praying at the finish line, waiting for that last shot. Pressure on my shoulders and I'm thinking, boy, why not? So much pressure, I'm moving with the pressure. Cash crumble from the pressure, but the pressure's what I measure, huh? Nothing lesser, the pressure make me better, never down on my last man. The world better give me mine.
Y'all thought it was a game. No pressure, baby.